We're off on a light plane adventure today on a Twin Otter, flying between a couple of really interesting tropical islands. Welcome to my blog. Please subscribe if you're on YouTube. Hi there. This morning we're flying from Aruba to Curacao on Divi Airways. It's a tiny little plane and we're really looking forward to it. To check in here we need to go through the non-USA departures, which is a tiny little terminal just off to the side of the main USA departures. This is a tiny terminal building compared to the USA departures. I guess flights from here go to Suriname, Curacao, St. Martin, a couple of other places, but generally pretty small. I think European flights leave from here as well. It's about 8:30 in the morning, so I guess the hour of the day helps as well. I think we're the only flight leaving at this time. Also, you'll see from the boarding pass that there's no assigned seating, just pick your seat as you board. This coffee shop was open, but immigration wasn't. We had to wait about a quarter of an hour to get through. I think anyone that's transited through, so should I say departed from Aruba, I bet you've never seen the airport like this. Absolutely no one around. That person that you see off in the distance is just one of the officials. They are separate terminal buildings for USA and non-USA departures, but they both join again here after the security check, so I'm not sure why they're two different buildings. It's not because of different processes, because everyone sort of meets here in the end anyway. The departure gates are gates A and B though, which are not part of the main departure area. So it's all quiet here this morning. Not much going on. So here's our plane, a Dehavilland Twin Otter. So 2 engines, seats about 25 people I think, and all the sides open up so you can put the luggage in, and it's open to the, you can see the pilots ahead. We use the same plane in the Maldives. You can check out our video on that, but obviously that was a seaplane and this is a wheeled plane. I think these planes are almost like a TARDIS, the way they fit everyone and all their luggage into them. Every single inch is packed tight. Not a lot of fun to fly in if you're expecting luxury. A lot of fun if you want to really experience flying. We'll be boarding in a minute.
All passengers traveling with Divi Air Flight 263 with destination Curacao, Bonaire, please starboard lock gate letter B.
The boarding procedure is pretty relaxed. I think there's assistance if you need it, but just a quick walk across the runway. The engines are all stopped and you'll see that they're taped up so that everyone can see that they're stopped. You walk around and into the back of the aircraft. You can see that this thing's all doors. There's luggage in the front and in the back. Although not like the one in Maldives where they actually put the luggage in the passenger compartment, which is, I guess, a small improvement. But anyway, this is a lot of fun. As you can see, a 1+2 seating configuration. I think I'll take this this seat second from the front on the left. So aircraft is a Dehavilland DHC-300 Twin Otter, as you can see. So before you know it, we're off. guess some people get pretty nonchalant about doing this, doing it all the time, flying between the islands. I know I did when I was younger, flying around Australia, but for me these days this is a real treat to be able to fly on these small airlines. So we're flying over the southern end of Aruba and down past St. Nicholas and some of the wilder beaches as well. There's some excellent beaches down there, Rincon Beach and a few of those others. So if you get a chance to explore down there, you should do so. So of course Aruba's not very large. This is only a 40-minute flight between Aruba and Curacao. So before you know it, we're off over the southern Caribbean, however you want to say it. As you can see, a little bit like sardines up here. Some people have 2 seats to themselves, but they're packed in pretty tight. It's only about 20 minutes and we're over the western end of Curacao. Weather's cut up a little bit, become much more cloudy, and so getting a little bumpy as well because we're dodging through these clouds. One of the differences in geography between Aruba and Curacao is that Aruba doesn't have a whole bunch of different inlets, and Curacao does, but Curacao doesn't have any long stretches of beach either. So the beaches in Curacao tend to be much smaller. There are even some artificial beaches around, but a lot of little coves that the pirates used to hide out in and use for raiding other ships. So the weather's really cutting up now. Rain is coming down pretty heavily, and looks like we might get a little drenched. It's starting to get a little bumpy, but some people are still nonchalant, which is great, and getting tossed around just a little bit. So we're on our descent into Hato International in Curacao. The rain is coming down in buckets. Welcome to sunny Curacao. Anyway, it's every place has rain, but it really is pouring down, a real tropical downpour. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit like if you appreciate my content. It really helps me out. Thanks.